Ever feel like you're staring at a blank page, totally out of ideas?
Or maybe you need an amazing image for a project, but you're not a graphic designer? Well, what if I told you there is a powerful new partner that can help you with all of that and more? I'm talking about AI, or artificial intelligence, and it's not just for tech geniuses anymore. It's a game changer for everyone. And today, I'm going to show you how you can start using it right now.
First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. This is like having a super smart assistant available 24/7. Let's say I need a blog post about the benefits of morning walks. I can just type in, write a 300-word blog post about the benefits of a morning walk, and boom, it generates a draft for me. It's not just for writing full articles. You can ask it to summarize a long report, brainstorm names for your new business, or even help you write a difficult email. The key is to be specific with your requests. The more detailed you give, the better the result.
Next, let's get visual with tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. These are text-to-image generators, and they are mind-blowing. All you do is describe the image you want to see. For example, I could type a photorealistic image of a cute red panda wearing a tiny chef's hat, cooking pancakes in a sunlit kitchen. Within seconds, it creates several unique images based on that description. It's perfect for creating custom art, social media visuals, or just bringing your wildest ideas to life. You can play with styles, from cartoon to photorealistic, and fine-tune your creations.
But what if you need a full design, not just an image? That's where Canva AI comes in. You probably already know Canva for its user-friendly design templates. Well, AI features take it to a whole new level. Let's say I need a presentation. Primera kinda just type create a 5-slide presentation about sustainable gardening, and Canva's magic design will generate a complete, professional-looking slideshow with text and images that I can then easily edit. It's also amazing for creating Instagram posts, flyers, and more in seconds.
So, how do you get started? It's easier than you think. For Chat, just go to their website and create a free account. For image generators like DALL-E, it's often integrated into other platforms like Microsoft's Copilot. And for Canva, just log into your account and look for the magic. Studio features.
My advice is to just start playing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and see what you can create.
The world of AI is opening up incredible new avenues for creativity. It's not about replacing human creativity, but enhancing it.
Think of it as a collaborator that can help you overcome creative blocks and bring your vision to life faster than ever before.
So go ahead, give these tools a try, and unlock your creative potential. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.